Hey guys, Chris Fix here. If your Jeep Grand Cherokee's electronic parking brake is stuck or showing a warning light, don't panic. Resetting the EPB can clear glitches, saving you a trip to the dealer and some cash. Common causes: low battery, skipping service mode during a brake job, or just a software hiccup. Today I'll show you 3 ways to reset it: the in-car button method, disconnecting the battery, and using an OBD2 scanner. Grab your tools, let's get your Jeep back to normal. Before any reset, safety first. Park on a flat surface and chalk your wheels. Never attempt EPB work on a slope. Turn off the ignition and remove the key to prevent accidental activation. Carefully inspect rear brake calipers and wiring for loose connections, corrosion, or visible damage. Check brake pad thickness. Replace pads if worn below minimum spec to avoid EPB faults. Test your battery with a multimeter. Low voltage can cause EPB errors. Charge or replace if needed. Operate the EPB and listen for grinding, clicking, or silence. These may signal mechanical or electrical issues. Double-check all steps, wear gloves and eye protection, and keep bystanders clear before proceeding. Let's start with the simplest fix. No tools required, just you and your Jeep. With the ignition on but the engine off, firmly press and hold the brake pedal. Next, push the EPB switch down to release for 5 seconds, then pull it up to apply for 5 seconds. Repeat this release and apply cycle 2 more times, always keeping your foot on the brake. Now turn off the ignition, wait at least a full minute, and then restart your Jeep. Check the dashboard. If the EPB warning light is gone, test the brake to confirm it's working. If the warning light remains, don't worry, there's another method to try next. If the in-car reset didn't work, try a hard reset by disconnecting the battery. Use a 10mm wrench to loosen and remove the negative terminal. Wait 15-30 minutes to fully drain the system. Clean the terminals if needed, then reconnect and tighten the clamp. Start the car and operate the EPB switch a few times. This often clears stubborn faults and resets the system. Still stuck? Time for the OBD2 scanner. If the warning light persists, grab an OBD2 scanner, plug it into the port under the dash, turn ignition on, use the scanner to access the EPB or brake module and read any fault codes. Note the codes, they'll tell you if it's a sensor, wiring, or caliper issue. Use the scanner's special functions to reset or calibrate the EPB and clear codes. Cycle the ignition and test the brake. If the light returns, you may need professional repair, but now you know how to diagnose it.